Hi everyone, this is Sherry. Welcome back to I Love Thai Food. And today I'm going to show you how to make minced pork omelette. Thai omelette is the first thing that most Thai people learn to cook. It's simple, easy, and delicious. Let's get started. First things first, start beating our eggs. We would like to get the air in as much as possible. We will expect to see a lot of bubbles while we beat the eggs. This will help our omelette to be crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. Add the Maggi sauce and keep on beating the eggs. Add minced pork and keep beating to mix the pork evenly to the eggs. Add a cup of cooking oil and heat it until it's very hot. Test the temperature by dropping some eggs in. At this point, make sure we use high heat. When you can see it's really sizzled, the oil is hot enough. So now add our beaten egg in. Now reduce it to low heat. We will leave the egg to cook gently. Lift the omelette to check the color. We don't want it to be too dark at this point. When it starts to be golden, we flip the omelette. Now let this side cook gently. Moving and checking regularly. The color and texture changing. Prepare to flip it again. Now you can see how crispy the omelette has become. We will flip it again and let it cook slowly. Checking the texture and color again, and we will flip it one last time. Okay, it looks very good now. Minced pork omelette is ready to be served. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Also click the notification bell to never miss a video.